Mission Control. This is AAKRUTI Command. We have ignition. Our mission: to ignite global innovation and push the boundaries of creativity. What began as a small spark is now a worldwide movement. Year after year, the AAKRUTI mission expanded, one innovation hub at a time. New frontiers joined the journey. New minds sparked revolutions in design, engineering, and sustainability. From ideas to impact, from blueprints to breakthroughs, AAKRUTI is not just a competition, it is a launch pad for the innovators of tomorrow, the workforce of the future.
Mission AAKRUTI is go for launch.
As we step into the future, the mission continues. Are you ready to be a part of it? Launching AAKRUTI Global 2025 for student teams across the world to apply. Register now.
Join the mission, shape the future.